Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So we're here on the shorter time frame on the 30-minute chart. Today the market is up slightly, but we've already seen some volatility. I don't think we'll see many decisions here early today. Stock market is closed, so really only the futures market is trading, and crypto normally isn't too volatile when that happens. I mean, yeah, we see some swings today, but really you need to zoom in very far to even see them, right? The idea is still that here on the Ethereum chart, we are still holding way above critical support levels, right? Even though I'm focusing a lot here on the smaller time frame, and we start to see, we see some momentum here in one direction, and then suddenly it goes the other way and everything. That's because we are in a range, and that's because we are in a correction. But that doesn't mean that this is all bearish or anything. We are still holding way above critical support. I'm focusing mainly here at the moment on the smaller time frame because honestly, everybody should know the larger time frame by now. Bigger picture, no change. I just want to restate the levels, then we dive into the nanostructures. From an Elliott wave point of view, which is the model we use to analyze price charts, the support area is between $3,374 and $4,061, and this has not broken, okay? The price can still try for another high, can still aim for at least one more high. Other interpretations possible, but for me at the moment it's just important to understand what is support that keeps this uptrend alive. And with one more high, the wave count in white is full. Again, fifth waves can extend and everything, which is why we're just going to adjust support once the wave count is full. But for now, as long as we are holding above 3,374, the focus can be on higher prices in this white scenario. Yeah. Idea is currently we are working on a fourth wave. I have no evidence that a fifth wave is already unfolding. So the idea is we're working on a fourth wave. And that could be a triangle or just a broader complex WXY structure, okay? And you'll see the triangle pattern on the smaller time frame in blue, and you'll see the larger WXY structure in white, okay? So this is the smaller time frame. I shared with you guys a few days ago already that this white scenario is still in play. Wave W to the downside was the first leg down. Then we had an X wave to the upside into the Sunday high, 24th of August. And now the Y wave down, which in itself is an ABC structure. And again, also here we can, debate about nanostructures. For now, my take is that we've seen here in this white scenario a wave 1, a wave 2, A, B, C. Maybe the C wave is already unfolding, and we can get a 4 or 5. So this should take us closer to around about $4,050, which is the 123.6 Fibonacci extension. And it's also where we have a Fibonacci retracement level and the green line, which is structural support. So we have quite a few levels there which matter. And there's a cluster of support also where the previous swing low was. The resistance for this scenario is between $4,400 and $4,550. Price moved into it, got rejected, moved into it, getting rejected right now. So if we get a break below the last swing low here, 4,365, and then also lose 4,264, it should take us down lower into this blue zone. But as I said yesterday, I expect microstructures to shift because we don't see any impulsive price action into any direction at the moment. See, the last bounce here ended also in 3 waves. This here might also be a 3-wave move down. Looks like 3 waves up as well. So back-to-back corrective price action. Translation, the market hasn't really made up its mind yet. Okay, we are ranging. I see this as a wave 4. That's currently the thesis, but don't expect every wave to be perfectly predictable in a correction. But yeah, basically pressure appears down, especially as long as the resistance area is being respected. Now, because of the structure and the context here, a break above resistance isn't necessarily a breakout signal. that would really require a decisive break above this area here, especially $4,960. Because the other scenario we're tracking, same assumption, we are in a wave 4, but the wave 4 could be unfolding as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and maybe we're in a D wave. Yeah, we could go a little higher, but that should require the market to stay below 4,960 because the D wave of the triangle can't break above the B wave. Well, it can, but then it's not a triangle anymore, then we're in a breakout, okay? That's kind of how it works. So we're basically caught in this sideways range with volatility decreasing, as you can see, compared to what we had here from the middle, from the high mid-August. And then we moved up quite a lot. Now it's kind of dying down. That's because today is obviously holiday in the US, right? So watching this initial resistance area, which kind of is similar to, I guess you could compare it to the resistance area Bitcoin is currently testing. Bitcoin got rejected as well, but we haven't got a breakdown. So this is, it's always difficult when you're dealing with a range and the price is in the middle of a range, because normally there aren't really many opportunities, because you normally when you're trading a range, you're watching for the extremes, right? So yeah, unfortunately, not too much new to add here. So still want to keep you updated about the structures. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, chart updates. I think yesterday I uploaded a video that I didn't upload on YouTube, so you get additional updates here as well. Feel free to join us. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.